What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I know y'all love recipes, but I'm coming at you with a review. And I'm so excited because when your group chat goes off with a new vegan sweet treat, you gotta check it out. So today I am gonna be sampling this. I'll try to zoom in because me putting it up to the camera is clearly not working. It is the Okie Dokie oat non-dairy frozen dessert. Ooh, a New Zealand inspired dessert with caramel, swirl, and sponge candy bits. All right, so for those wondering, this is an oat-based ice cream substitute product. There is coconut in it, so let's get into it. This is 3 servings per container, which I feel like is pretty cool. I found this at my local Trader Joe's. Let's get into the unboxing, or y'all know what it is. Okay. Give you all the full experience. Okay, can you see? All right. Okay. First scoop test. Y'all, that was excellent. Smooth and wonderful. Here we go. Oh, smell test. Doesn't really smell like anything. Y'all know I'm gonna always keep it real with you. So let's talk about this dairy-free dessert. Okay. So many thoughts right now. It's sweet, and I love sweet. So for me to call something sweet is really saying something. You guys saw my reaction to that first spoon test. Super creamy, like that's always a win. Getting major points right there. It describes itself as being a caramel dessert with sponge candy bits. It tastes more like butterscotch. So if you're looking for straight up caramel, it's giving butterscotch. And I mean like somebody cracked up the yellow cellophane wrapped butterscotch candies. It's definitely giving that. The first, like the actual ice cream part of it tastes like something I just cannot put my finger on in terms of like being compared to something else. But it tasted like the top, the paper top that you peeled off at first, and then like the actual flavor starts to settle in a little bit afterwards. I think this is definitely an ice cream that's gonna have to grow on me. Maybe I didn't get enough of the caramel in the scoop, but it's good. You know what? Let's just take another bite, because maybe I got the whole thing wrong. This part seems to have lots of caramel right here. Let's see. No, I'll tell you exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like you took an off-brand version of the cereal O's and you crunched it up and you mixed it with condensed milk and oat milk together and made this with butterscotch in it. Maybe the flavors are just too complex for my palate. Maybe that's really what's happening. I am very curious to know what you think. So let me know if you think I should give this a poppin or not in the comment section. Also, let me know what you think if you have tried this flavor of dairy-free dessert. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.